So now give me a sentence. Say it.
H E F O R for G
Okay.
1 2
Four.
forgot
He forgot.
R H G H I S his
He forgot his.
Sing I can
All right.
O N E R
Can opener. Yeah. He forgot his can opener. And right.
I
He.
for
Mm-hmm. Yes.
F-O-R
Go ahead. You write it down.
F-O-R
Yeah. Write it. For then what?
got
Mm-hmm.
G-O-G-O-T
Yep. He forgot.
his
Mm-hmm.
H-I-his S
Yes.
H-I-S
Yes. He forgot his.
can
Mm-hmm. His can.
Opener.
Yep.
O
Yep.
E-R
Uh-huh. Empty period. Yeah, he forgot his can opener. But what would you do if you didn't have a can opener? You didn't have a can opener. If it opened something, you had this can you opening. How would you open it? Go ahead. Oops, just use your finger. Say it.
I
Okay.
W
Mm-hmm. And
you would you L D would
I would.
D H O W throw I see it I can throw it
Mm-hmm.
I
Yep.
can
Would.
throw
Mm-hmm.
T-H-R-O-W
Correct.
it
Mm-hmm. I would throw it. Okay. Anything else? Say it.
B
Wait.
A
A.
N B N H E
Then. And then.
G
Go.
O H O N
L.
Le
Okay. I would throw it.
M
Mm-hmm.
N
Yep. And. Yep.
the
The.
they
Then.
then go home
Mm-hmm.